No matter where we are, no matter where we go, we will always have a home. Because it's you, and it's me. And that's all we need.
Okay. My whole life, I imagined what love would feel like. Little did I know it would be entirely tied to you. You have shown me that love is soft and sweet, and so unshakable without the weight of something heavy. Loving you is the easiest, happiest thing I have ever done. Hi.
Hi.
You said you weren't gonna cry.
I was never going to be able to pull that off.
Hi.
Oh, you look so beautiful. I love the little pearls.
I haven't seen you all day. I hate this.
As I was thinking about the two of you, the two words that kept coming back to me were grace and compassion. When I say grace, though, what I mean is the two of you together, you see the best in everybody. You are kind. Being around both of you, I want to be a better person. I want to be kinder. And I think that's really what I think about when I think of you two.
You're the kindest man, the most thoughtful, sweet, annoyingly smart, silly, joyful, and wonderful person. You carry a love for the people in your life that shines brighter than any star. You make people feel welcome and seen. You make our house a home.
In my first week of college, I managed to find the most important friend I'll ever have. Stephanie met a young 18-year-old girl with very tall walls built around herself. She melts the rough exterior we build up, and she gives us a space to feel seen and heard and respected. And now we all get to gather here and watch her claim the life she wants.
Stephanie, you are the most important thing to me forever and always. I cannot understand how I lived without you. You make me a better person. You make everyone around you better people. You are truly, truly the kindest soul I've ever met in my entire life. I love how everyone who comes around you feels your warmth and feels how wonderful you are. No matter where we are, no matter where we go, we will always have a home because it's you and it's me. And that's all we need. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I wish for you the type of love where you're still greeted at the door every time you come home. That he brings you coffee in bed. That he always gives you the first sip of wine and the last bite of food. That he pushes you to your best self and you push him right back.
By the power vested in me by the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your partner.
take care of me so deeply, and I will be forever grateful that I have you. Everything from your hands to your laugh, to the way you hold court without ever knowing it. I can't wait to be your wife. I can't wait to spend every day with you. I love you for everything you are, for every flaw, for every shoe I trip on, for every smile, every hug, everything. I love you, and I will, now and always.